In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to navigate through various elements of a Word document using SuperNova hotkeys. You can jump to many different types of element, but in this video, we'll be demonstrating navigating to headings and tables using a sample document. To move to the next heading, hold caps lock and press H.
Heading 2, Growth of the Town.
To move to a previous heading, hold Shift and caps lock and then press H.
Heading 1, The City of Worcester.
If you want to move to the next table, hold caps lock and press T.
Table, normal, name column 1 row 1. Famous Worcestershire people column 1 row 1.
To move to the previous table, hold Shift and caps lock and then press T.
Name column 1 row 1.
Once you reach your destination, you can continue reading in the usual ways. You can also use the item finder to navigate through various elements. Hold caps lock and press tab key to open the item finder dialog box.
Building list. Please wait. Item finder for Worcester Town compatibility mode. Summary page. Link. 3 links selected.
This contains multiple tabs, including a summary tab that gives an overview of the different elements within the document. You can review the summary list by using the down arrow key.
Heading. 2 headings.
You can jump to a particular list by pressing enter. For example, in our sample document, we can review the headings list.
Headings page. 2 headings in Worcester Town compatibility mode.
Pressing enter on a heading takes you to that point in the document.
The City of Worcester 1 selected 1 of 2. List box. Growth of the Town 2 of 2.
Once there, you can continue reading in the usual ways.
Heading 2, Growth of the Town.